Hi, my name is Jia Ying. I'm currently a first-year computer science student at University Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because it does not limit our creativity. We can do almost everything by coding. So let me show you what I've done by using Scratch. Let's start the game. So our task is to catch the rat. Here the cat. That's it. This is an easy game. Alright, next I will teach you step by step how I created the game. First, open up Scratch. Go to backdrop. Add a background. You can also add a background from here. Okay, next I will choose a sprite. Let's search for a rat. Alright, this is too big. Smaller. Okay. Next, I will go to events and I'll find for this block when the flag is clicked. So I will set the red to the bottom right corner. And next, I will go to motion, set the X position, and set the Y position. Alright. Now, I would like the rat to make some sound. Start sound. Okay, I don't really like this sound, so I will record myself. I upload the recording here. Okay, sounds better. Back to my code. Also, I would like the rat to say something. Let's say, you cannot catch me for probably 1 second before it starts. Next, I'll go to control, search for repeat until it's blocked, then sensing, and leave it here. So now I add another sprite, which is the cat. Choose this. So here we are touching the cat. So this block here will repeat until it touches the cat. Next, I would like the rat to move around. So use this glide for 1 second in random position. Alright, so after the rat touches the cat, make sound again. And it will say something. Say, oh no! Right? So that's all for the rat. You go to the cat. Alright, you go to event, same, you use when the flag is clicked, you set the position of the cat, corner, you go to motion, you set X and set Y. Next, you need a button to make the cat move. Let's say you use this and you make space. So when you press space, the cat will move. And next, the cat move according to the mouse pointer. So that means whenever the mouse pointed, the cat will move at that direction. And let's say move for 1 step. Okay? So next you go to control and use this block. And if the cat touches the rat, change this to rat. You will make some sound. Sound. Meow. Alright, and say something. Maybe gotcha. Alright, so that's all for the cat and the test of the game. Oh, the bread is cheating. Okay, Jaja, that's all. Hope you enjoy it. I'm a CodeSyster. Come join the fun and code with me.